Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Net Crochet y Tejido. In this small video I'm gonna teach you how to SSK, slip, knit two together. It's very easy to do. Sometimes it's really intimidating when you see a pattern that you love but they have these letters that you don't know what they mean and you want to do it but you get a little bit, skeptical to do it because could be complicated, but it's not. SSK is really easy to do. So I'm gonna show you in this little sample. I'm gonna knit a few, so you will have to follow the pattern until the part where it says SSK. So SS means slip, so each S is one slip. So you slip the first one, like net wise, you see, like you're gonna net. You're just changing the way the stitch is facing, and you slip the next one. Now you're gonna place them back to the left hand needle, and now you're gonna knit those two stitches together through the back strand. So that will make the stitch to lean to the left, leaning to the left. So you knit those two together and you done your SSK. It's very easy. I'm gonna knit one stitch and I will show you it again. So a slip, you slip the first one, you slip the second one, like to knit. You're gonna place them back to your left hand needle and you're gonna knit those two stitches together through the back strand. And then you'll continue with a stitch. Now I'm going to show you how to do it myself. That way it's easier and you don't have to pass it through to the left hand needle and then grab the other needle and knit it through the back. It's my way to do it and I find it much easier. You still have to slip, net wise, slip. Now instead of pass the stitches to the left hand needle, and this is my way to do it. You're supposed to do it this way, but my way to do it is exactly the same, but it's easier. And instead to pass it, what you're gonna do is you grab the left hand needle and you pass it through those two stitches, but through the front, and you already have the stitches in place. And you knit those two together, and you're done. You see, you skip that step of passing through the needle and knitting it in the back. I will show you again. For me, I found that it's easier that way. You slip, and then what you do, you grab your left hand needle, pass it through the front of those two stitches, and you are exactly where you're supposed to be. And you knit those two, and you continue with the pattern of the stitch that you are doing. And you see there, all them leaning to the left. So in my next video I'm going to show you how to SSP. It's exactly the same but in the purl side of your work. I'm going to teach you how to do some fern lace stitch, and these are two of the stitches that is in the pattern. So I just wanted to show you how to do it first. That way you know how easy they are, and then you can do that pattern. So I hope you like this small tutorial, and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. And if you make any pattern that you use this and you want to send me some pictures, you can do it through my Facebook page Ruby Net Crochet Tejido or my Instagram Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day.